that right there is the river. Look at this, it's freaking intense. It's been raining for about 6 hours, and this is in Telkwa, BC, and this is the trees that are coming down from upriver. There's a big ass one right there. That fell down in the storm probably about a couple hours ago. I bet you Slave Lake wish they had this. Just look at the current on that baby. It is really intense over here. We're gonna go get a better look. Those are like just wild animals, apparently, just chilling on the side of the road. Welcome to Morristown, British Columbia. It is absolutely gorgeous here right now. This is Tuesday, May 17th, sorry. And it is a phenomenal sight. Someone running away, the roads are flooding. It's a disaster out here. But just look at that. It's hard not to be impressed. Like, just the sheer power of this river. Some other dude chilling over here somewhere. He's gone. Oh, there he is. That guy's brave right there. I'm gonna go check over there.